Hi, this is Andy. Today, I'll show you how to record audio on Android using Bluedot. To record audio on Android, open the free Bluedot app and tap the Start button. Then, Bluedot will start recording and analyzing all incoming audio in the background, so you can put your phone away and continue your meeting or event without worrying about missing any important moments. After your meeting is over, tap the pause button, then save, and Bluedot will take some time to analyze your audio. And here's what your audio recording looks like after the Bluedot analysis. You can listen back to your entire audio. Bluedot also generates an AI summary for you. Here you can find an overview, action items, topics, and if needed, you can change the note template and choose, say, key takeaways. And Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for you that fits that template. Bluedot also generates a full transcript of the recording for you. Bluedot also identifies the speakers. If necessary, you can change their names and also translate the transcript into more than 100 languages. In addition, you can get extra information using the AI chat. Here, you can ask, for example, what are potential risks in this deal? And Bluedot will generate an answer for you based on the past meeting. You can also share this recording with colleagues via a link and grant them access. You can connect a HubSpot integration and list the names or emails of those you want to send the AI summary to. A key feature of Bluedot is that you can connect a large number of different integrations. You can connect your calendar, Google Drive, Notion, Slack. You can also connect CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and set up automation using Make, Zapier, or Webhook. Try recording audio on Android yourself. It's free.